Hi everyone. The popularity of rooftop mounted solar PV panels is increasing due to its never ending renewability, and our project aims to increase the efficiency of the solar PV panels.
And our team was fortunate to work with our clinic partner, which is Infinity Energy Co., and it is the largest renewable energy provider for Egypt, focusing mainly on solar panels.
The problem to solve was to clean roof-mounted PV solar panels. This is due to the dry and dusty climate causing dust and debris to.
Design shall increase energy production and lifetime of solar panels, and is designed keeping the cost effectiveness, user friendliness, and reliability in mind.
This here is our proof of concept, and it was specifically designed to show that a requirement of removing all visible dust particles is possible. So the design itself uses high pressure air through an air knife and a brush combo to remove the dust. It also runs on a linear bearing system which moves across the frame smoothly. The frame itself is constructed of wood and is set at a 20-degree incline.
After testing the proof of concept and verifying the requirements, our final design is as displayed here. This final design includes several air knives instead of one. It includes a brush and a worm shaft, as well as a gearbox for the movement mechanism.